In this video, we will go over all the steps necessary to flash your Infiniti Q50 or Q60. Before beginning the flash process, you will need to connect a battery charger to your car. If your battery dies during the process, there is a chance that your ECU will become bricked. Once you have a charger attached, it is time to move on to the flashing process. You will now need to use your Windows-based laptop and connect it to the Bluetooth dongle and the dongle that connects to your OBD port. Both dongles and the USB cable are included in the kit. Next, push the start button on the vehicle to put it into ACC mode. Once your vehicle is in ACC mode, you can open the flashing programmer, which if you have not downloaded, can be found on the product listing page on our website. Once open, you will need to query the ECU. Do this by selecting Tools, and then choose Detect ECU. Now click the Query button located here. You can find your ECU version here. Once your ECU is detected and identified, you will need to email Z1 your ECU version number. Do this by sending us an email to tuning@z1motorsports.com. Be sure to include the order number that is associated with the purchase. After Z1 has sent you the correct file for your vehicle, you will need to flash that file onto your ECU. Do this by connecting your laptop back to your vehicle using the OBD port, the same way you did when you queried the ECU. Remember to connect a battery charger before flashing the ECU as you did in the previous step. We also recommend you activate the hazard lights on the car for this part of the process. Save the file that Z1 sent you to a folder on the desktop of your laptop so you can easily find it during the flashing process. Once the software is opened, you will need to choose the file that Z1 sent you by clicking here, and then select the folder you made on your desktop and select the file. Now query the ECU like you did in a previous step. Then click Program ECU, which is located here. Once you have clicked the Program ECU button, the flashing process will begin, which can take up to 15 minutes. After the software has been flashed onto your ECU, you will need to follow the steps the programming software is prompting you to do. When complete, you can disconnect your laptop and remove the battery charger. After you have completed the entire process, Z1 prefers that you send us a log of the vehicle. If you do not know how to log the vehicle, please refer to the web listing on our website for the product and look for the video on how to log your vehicle. Once logged, send that file with your order number and your ECU version to Z1 by emailing us at tuning@z1motorsports.com.